Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this short video, I will share another free airdrop. By joining this airdrop, you will be able to earn 5000 ROI tokens for free. ROI is a cryptocurrency issued by the 5 ROI Global Exchange. This token is running on the Binance Smart Chain platform and it will be issued in a limited amount. The aim is to promote trading activity on the 5 ROI platform. ROI will be used in 5 ROI exchange mainly to pay for transaction fees, exchange fees, and other services in 5 ROI financial ecosystem. So it is a good chance to claim these tokens. We know the native tokens of exchange sites have great future, so we should not miss this opportunity to earn these tokens for free. To earn these tokens, just click the link in the description box. Then you will find joining link in my Telegram channel. Please join my Telegram channel to find legit airdrops. Click the link. You will find this sign up page. Enter your email, password, confirm password, and then click send code. Then enter the verification code from your mailbox. Click I have read and agree and click sign up. Then download the 5 ROI apps from here. Now you just have to complete KYC verification to claim the 5000 ROI tokens. To complete KYC, click the Me icon and then click authentication. Then you will find this page. Then click proceed to verification. Then in this page, enter your nationality, last name, first name, then ID type and ID number. As soon as complete this, your basic level 1 verification is done. Then proceed level 2 verification. Then in this page, click please begin verification. Then upload a photo of your front ID and upload a photo of you holding front page with your valid ID and a page written your name, exchange name and the date you upload this photo. Then click the next step. You will find this page. Your basic level is already verified and advanced level verifying is in process. So wait for it. After verification you will receive 5000 ROI tokens. So it just takes few minutes to join this airdrop. Don't miss it. That is all for now. Please subscribe this channel for crypto updates.